Wow, I swear my hair has a mind of its own. Anyways, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Welcome back. Did you miss me? I've been here. I should be more active. Comment below if you think I should be more active. Anyways, today we got this amazing look going on right now. I don't know what the fuck did I just do, but we did it. We actually did it. We did a cut crease. I'm getting better on the cut crease. I think this is like the third attempt, fourth attempt. I think so. But it looks so nice. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. You heard me talking about, oh yeah, I want to do this look, I want to do this amazing look, I want to do this color look, neon look. Yes, I do. Yes. Well, here it is, and it's all thanks to this palette right here. It's the Profusion Neon palette. Comes with beautiful colors, neon colors. Comes with yellows, pink, blues, one shimmer, just one shimmer. But look at that, it's so pretty. Look at the colors, it's amazing. It looks beautiful, and that's how I achieved this look. Well, I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot my introduction. Okay, well, introduction time. If you're new to my channel, never see my face, never see me, but you follow me on Instagram, and but you're first time hearing me about me, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get more updates of when I post a new video. This look is gonna be brought to you by What the Hell Is She Doing? Pretty much that's where it comes from. I have this whole series of makeup looks, but I call it What the Hell Is She Doing? Follow me on social media. Here are my links. You guys can always follow me. But yeah, so let's go back to the palette. I think on my last two videos I didn't do an introduction. But yes, look at this beautiful palette. I wanted to do some swatches. So like I mentioned, it comes with one shimmer. Oops. One shimmer. They all come with names. The shimmer was actually psyched. And then this orange color right here. Look at that. Damn. And then we have this hot pink color. Damn. And then we have this red color. Double damn. And then we have this heat wave, which is kind of like a really red color. Wow, look at that. And then we're gonna go to the bottom. There's gonna be some yellow tones. This is yellow. And then we have some green right here. Oh, hold on. And then we have some blues. I don't have no more space. Here's another blue. I think I'm gonna go over here. And then last but not least, we got this hot pink color, which I'm gonna do right here. Look at that. Those are really nice colors. Look really nice. And of course I did this on this look right here. So I'm gonna be honest, because you know I have to be honest on my channel. It took me a lot to get the color to build up, as you guys can see right here, especially when I was applying the NYX eyeshadow base. There was a little bit of like they didn't want to stick, especially on this area right here. It did not want to stick at all. It was coming off, and especially right here, as you guys can see right here, actually came off a little bit. So to be honest, I love this palette, but for the build up it's not that good. But other than that, it's not, I don't think this is good for blending, so I'm gonna try next time if it's really good for blending. But other than that, it actually looks nice. But it needs a little bit of help on the build up, you know, because I kept pressing it, but it kept coming out like a little balls of sweat, you know. I didn't like that at all. But it looks good. looks good. So I'm gonna practice more with this palette. But here, I'm gonna show you how I managed to get this look. There was some crying, there was some bitching, there was some throwing makeup on the floor. I'm just kidding. So anyways, let's go see how I came up with this look. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start off by priming the lid. So we're gonna use my little Urban Decay Potion Primer. Such a really good primer. So we're gonna use this one for the look. Now I don't know what these are called, but it helps with makeup. So we're gonna use, but I think I bought them at Wish. Took me a long time to arrive, but we're gonna use this ones for the look. Gonna put them on the side. I think they like stop from making a mess on your face, because I already have foundation. Oh, that feels weird, like it's tight on my face. And of course they're gonna help me with the look. It feels so freaking tight. Okay, so we're gonna start with the yellow color. I'm gonna put the yellow color like right here. I'm gonna gently tap it. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some green over the yellow. Wow, that green is crazy pigmented. Okay, so I use both sides of this brush. So I'm gonna use another brush. I have another one. Oh my god, tell me I do. Okay, well I have this one. Wow. Okay, now I think I'm gonna use I don't know, should I use green? I have never used this blue. Now I'm gonna use blue over it. Wow, the look is actually coming really nice, and you know what, and the colors are very bright, but then when you put them together they still look really nice. I'm not much of a right-handed person, but I have to do it right now. Now I'm gonna use some heat wave and I'm gonna put it right here. Oh damn, this look is coming up nice. Now I wanted to do like a cut crease. I'm gonna post it.
One eternity later.
Now let's move on with the cut crease. Cut crease. I'm scared. I need to use the right brush, but I can't find the right brush. Be right back. Okay, let's do it. If it doesn't go our way, it's okay, because practice makes perfect. I actually had to leave my camera to die, because usually the time for recording, like it will record for 30 minutes, then it will stop. So I just let it do that. But I did the cut crease. Now I'm thinking what type of color on the cut crease. So I'm like, which color? And I'm thinking about this one right here. This pink color is really nice, because I was thinking about this one right here, but I already have it on my lid. So I was thinking about this hot pink right here, so I'm gonna do that one. Oh, if you're wondering what I use for the cut crease, I actually use this one. It's the NYX eyeshadow base. I noticed a lot of makeup artists use this one because it's white, so it's gonna go really good with the look. So let's do the hot pink. Okay, and then I'm thinking about adding like a little bit of glitter to the top. Wow, this eyeshadow base is actually really good because the color is not sticking. Oh, it's actually looking really nice. So I think it's good. So I'm gonna do my other side. Okay, so I guess that's good. Now we're gonna use this. Haven't tried it since I actually got it on my boxycharm, but it's from Ciate. I'm gonna put it on the top. It actually looks nice, but I should have got a brush. I'll try this one. I knew I should have used the brush. So let's see if I can correct it. Now I'm gonna use It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So the look is done. I'm about to remove this. Oh God, I'm about to remove that and review that final look. Okay. Ow. Okay. I have to fix my foundation. Can't see. Wow. It actually came out really good. It actually came out really, really good. Am I getting better on the cut crease? I'm not sure, but you know what? I'm gonna try, get it better because my shape eyes are kind of like small. So I'm trying to like get used to it. But actually it came out really nice. Different colors, never used this type of colors. Feels great, using different type of colors, but I actually like it. So let me know in the comment below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. Am I getting better from the other looks that I have done? I mean, is this wow? I'm impressed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you like this look, comment below. Just give me constructive criticism because I want to hear from you what you think about this look. I also want to give a shout out to all my girls in our group. You guys know who you guys are. Thank you guys so much for the advices on this look. Thank you so much. So follow me on social media. Always follow me there. I'm always posting looks on my Instagram. I love, I'm trying to grow my Instagram. So, I'm gonna post this look in that there. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.